Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look that I have on right now. I'm going to be using the new HUDA Beauty Amethyst, I think that's how it's called, Amethyst Obsessions palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and yeah, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay guys, so I already did my face makeup and my eyebrows, so I'm just going to start off by priming my lids. I'm going to go in with the MAC Soft Ochre Pin Pot, and I'm going to go in with the Morphe M224. I'm sorry if you could hear the washer in the background. It's like right next to my room, so you could hear everything. So now I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys into my eyes. Okay guys, so first I'm going in with this fluffy brush. It's from Japanesque, the number 723. So now I'm going in with the Morphe M514, and I'm just gonna blend that in. And I'm going in with the MB46 by Morphe, and I'm going in with this darker pinkish purple right above the crease. After that, I'm gonna grab the Morphe M514, the one that we were blending out with. And I'm gonna just grab this lighter pink, just a little bit, and I'm just gonna start diffusing it out with that color. Grabbing the Morphe M213, it looks like this. Grabbing this darker purple, and I'm putting this in my outer corner. And I'm just gonna kind of bring it into the crease. And I'm grabbing this darker pink, just a little bit, and I'm gonna just start blending that out slowly. I'm grabbing the Morphe M330, and I'm just gonna blend everything in together. I'm going with the M170-4. It looks like this. It's just like a tiny little brush. I'm gonna use that for my cut crease. I'm gonna go in with just concealer. Going in with the same small brush that we used to pack on the dark purple. I'm just grabbing a little bit more of the purple just on the tip of it, and I'm just gonna go around the cut crease just to make sure everything is sharp. Japanese brush in number 715. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and I'm gonna place that where I placed the concealer at. So I'm gonna go in with the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm done with my eyeshadow. I still need to do my bottom lash line, but I'm gonna just put my falsies on first. The lashes are from Iconic. The box looks like this. They're not these lashes though. They're in the number 17. These. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put my lashes on, and this is how they're looking. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the palette again. I'm gonna go in with this light pink shade. I'm gonna put it on my bottom lash line. Now I'm gonna just do my other eye really quick. That I'm gonna just go ahead and add a black eyeliner to my lower waterline and my top waterline. Okay guys, so I'm actually gonna grab the dark purple, and I'm just gonna add it just to diffuse the black eyeliner. Okay, so after I did that, I'm gonna go ahead and put bottom mascara. Now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe E36 and my Sleek Makeup highlighting palette in Solstice. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm grabbing this lighter shade and I'm gonna apply it to my inner corner. just to finish my face makeup off, I'm gonna go in with the Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter. I'm just gonna highlight my face. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. Let me just fix my hair and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I did my hair, whatever. Not that good, but you know, I didn't know what else to do to my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I'm just gonna use the Kylie gloss in So Cute. So this is today's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you can see when I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching.